Hey Big Lap Bible, I'm Frankie.
I'm Sam.
We're from Driving Them Wild and we're here today to show you around our Mercedes Sprinter. Come on in. So welcome to our home. As you can see, we have a cute little mat for our feet and we tend to just shake that off every now and then when we've got dirty sandy feet from being at the beach. This is where we tend to have our dinner, and yeah, we'll set this up as soon as we get to a campsite, and you can turn this round, which is my seat that I sit in while we drive. This is our laundry line, so we've just been to the beach and hanging up our towels and cozies, and that's pretty much it. So this table tucks in behind here, and then the pole does as well, so when we set off we just whack it in there.
Gas water heater. Plenty of gas. And this is your toilet cassette. Sounds grim, but it's actually pretty easy.
So we'll just show you all of the little power buttons. So we've got the water here that we can test. So you can see our water tank is a little bit low. That's where it's flashing green. Lucky we're at a campsite. Here's where we've got our heater, water pump, toilet, range hood, media for the TV, and then we've got our little down lights, and then the big light here, little radio. So this is our little kitchen. This is our drying mat, which is awesome. It's just a really handy little thing that we fold up and we pop it behind there once we do the dishes. We've got a 3-burner stovetop made with gas, and this is our little sink, so we can pop that in there to do the dishes. You just got to make sure that this is in the middle when you put these down, because otherwise it will smash it. And yeah, so that's our little kitchen.
Just the bathroom. Got yourself a little chemical toilet. Sink and shower. Little cabinet. Little air vent. All you need.
Little living room where we can relax, kick back, put the TV on. And there you have it. Woo! Nice comfy bed. So this is our little fridge. Super cute and easy to go on the bottom. See, most of it's filled with beer. But yeah, and there's a freezer in there as well, which is handy too.
Barbecue.
Sam's picking us up a mean meal for lunch. The reason that we got the van in the first place is because Sam has sciatica on his back, so basically he couldn't drive the 4-wheel drive as much anymore without it hurting, and we just need a little bit of extra comfort. Yeah, essentially just for the luxury. Absolutely loving it. It's made the world of difference. Literally park up anywhere and sleep. Small selection things, but yeah, things that we feel are very useful and I think would come in handy if you're about to hit the road, or if you're already on the road, just to give you some little tips. We're constantly learning. This is our trusty little bug zapper, which also works as a light, and you can see it's already got some bugs in there.
Surface grip, grab lining drawers. Also good in between the crockery. We've got a little spare bit here Frankie uses to open pickle drawers.
Head torch. Literally don't know what we would do without these. We always use them every night.
Perfect piece of kit, absolute must. Little UHF radio, this one's from GME, bought it at ARB. You got no phone signal, this is your only means of communication. When you're driving down the highway though, you have it on channel 40, you can talk to truckers, ask them when it's okay to pass their huge road train. Channel 5 and channel 35 are your emergency call channels.
Everything that we've stuck down. Double-sided tape is another must-have item. So we use that along with these little things to stick our little bits down. You see our plant pot, air freshener in the bathroom. So that's stuck up there.
This one is literally just a kettle for your gas top. Hacks away beautifully. That was available on Amazon, generic brand. We've got a lot of these of different brands. This one is actually a little Tupperware one from Kmart. Look at that.
Carabiners we cannot go without. Always got them, as you can see on my handbag. We have our flippers, fins, hanging on the back with one. Yeah, they're everywhere. Sometimes with our bungee cords, if we want to tie up some washing, we'll just loop it around like that, and Bob's your uncle. These are our cute little fairy lights that we have at night.